Hi everybody, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to create a look using all the products I received in my October BoxyCharm box. I did do an unboxing, so I can link that down below for you guys if you haven't checked it out. But this is the look I came up with. I think it is a really nice everyday go-to look. But if you want to see how I got this look, what products I use, and what I think about it, please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to try this out first. I also have this Touch and Soul Glossy Skin Balm. I'm going to use this as well. But let's shake this up and spray this on the face. That's actually a really, really good mister. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, I'm going to let that just kind of absorb and soak into my skin. I'm not gonna do my foundation on camera. I'm pretty much just prepping my skin and I'm gonna test out these products and then let you guys know what I think, because I'm gonna keep it really, really simple. And now I'm just gonna go in with that Touch and Soul product and just really work this into my skin. Feels like a really, really good moisturizer. Everything that I received so far in my BoxyCharm from Touch and Soul, actually everything from Touch and Soul that I've tried, I've absolutely loved. So I do have really, really high expectations for this product. It goes on really, really nice. I'm not using too much product, but my skin feels really good with that spray in this. Okay, so those two products I let set into my skin for a little bit. My skin looks really healthy, really dewy, but not greasy. So now I am going in with the primer, and this is a Touch and Soul No Problem primer. I'm actually running out of it. I have to apply it with the little applicator, and then I'm going to apply my foundation, and I will be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this palette right here. This is the Big Brown Dose of Colors. And I'm gonna do my eyeshadow a little differently today. I'm gonna start off with this color right here, and I'm going to work this into my brow bone. I think I'm gonna start with this color because I really wanna see how pigmented it is. Oh, that's a lot of product, and that's a lot of kickback. So I'm just gonna it's very pigmented. So I'm going to apply a little bit of this into my crease as well, but I'm going to focus on applying this to the inner portion and then blending it out. I'm also going to deepen up my crease with this color right here. And I'm going to focus more of this onto the outer V. So once I've laid down most of the color, I'm just going to slowly bring it in towards the lid. This color is so pretty. All the shadows are blending in really, really nice. So going with the same shadow, I want to run this on my lower lash line. It's so pretty. So just clean the brush off a little bit, and I'm gonna go in with this second shade right here and blend out that lower lash line. Just because I don't want a harsh line. And I'm not taking a lot because these shadows are extremely pigmented. I wanna use all the colors. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a very small amount of the darkest shade in here, taking the tiniest amount, and I'm just going to this onto the lower lash line. So I'm taking that same dark brown and I'm just going to run it onto the top of my eyelids. just like I was creating an eyeliner, but just keeping on the outer portion. I'm not going to do liner, so this is just going to thicken up the eyelashes. I actually really like that. I don't think I'm going to do any lashes either. So I'm going to go back in with this spray. So I'm going to go in with this Cover FX palette. This is the light medium. I am going to apply a little bit of this highlighter right here. I don't really want an intense highlight. I'm also going to go in with this blush and just pop this onto the apples of my cheek. Okay, and the final step is our lips. So I'm going to go in with this Sugar Pie lip liner from Morphe, and this is what I got in my box, this iconic London lip plumping gloss in Nearly Nude. So I'm just going to align and fill my lips in with this color. So I blended the lip liner into my lips and I left the center blank. So I'm going to go in with this gloss. It has an interesting little applicator. It smells really good. So my lips feel very cool, very minty, very refreshing. The gloss feels really good. It's not sticky. There's not really any color payoff. It's just a really nice nude gloss. And yeah, it feels really good. All right, so this is the completed look. I really like the way everything turned out. I think this is a really nice, easy, everyday kind of go-to makeup. And yeah, I kind of wanted to keep everything simple, so I didn't do any liner, any lashes. I actually also didn't even put any mascara onto my lower lash line, but just kind of a quick breakdown on all the products that I used. So the first product I used, and I used this twice, is this Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. It smells amazing. My skin looks really healthy, really dewy, but not oily. I am combination skin, so I do not like things to make me look greasy and shiny, but I thought this looked and felt really, really good on the skin, and it has a really nice scent. It smells like peppermint. The next thing that I tried is this guy right here. This is from Touch in Sol. This is a glassy skin balm. This felt really, really good on the skin. I went in with this first, and then I applied this and just let everything kind of absorb and just sink in before I went in with my primer and my foundation and everything else. And I really liked the way everything looked and how my skin looked. It was just really healthy. That's probably the easiest way to explain it. And the palette that we use today is the Baked Browns. Honestly, I'm really impressed. There was a lot of kickback, so you do need a very, very small amount of product, and a little goes a really, really long way. All the shadows blended in really, really nice. And yeah, I don't really have anything negative to say. It's just a really good palette. I honestly didn't know if I was gonna like the brown, only because I feel like I have so many neutrals and so many brown tones. But these two eyeshadows are absolutely beautiful, and this is probably hands down my favorite shadow in this palette. They're all really nice. They all worked really well. I have pretty much everything on my eyes because I wanted to test everything out. But hands down, this is my favorite, and yeah, I really like it. And the last product is the lip gloss. This is the first product I've ever tried from Iconic London, and this is their lip plumping gloss in Nearly Nude. It feels really good. My lips feel really cool, really minty, and I don't know, it has that, I don't want to say, it doesn't feel like it's plumping, it just has that nice minty feel. It's not painful, it's not stinging. Usually with lip glosses that are supposed to be plumping, it usually has that tingly kind of burning feel. I don't get that at all with this. It just feels really cool, really refreshing, and there's not too much color payoff, so I think it's a really, really nice, perfect nude gloss. But that pretty much concludes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.